Okay, here we are.
Here we are. We never really left anywhere, so we've always been here. But you're back. Okay, so we're
Today we're going to be cooking.
Well, we're going to be using these Ronzoni pasta.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to be making what's called shotgun shells. We got barbecue
all
sauce.
This stuff right here.
Yeah, got a pasta, barbecue sauce, bacon, cheese, jalapeno peppers, and we've got some mild sausage and hot sausage.
Let me get up in here.
All right.
First, Daddy's gonna taste this.
That's hot.
Daddy.
What's wrong with that? It does smell good. Smell it, Walter. What's?
It's too spicy. I don't want to put that in.
All right. Well, we're gonna do a couple of different different ways of doing shotgun shells. So you got your pasta shell. You're gonna use that on everything. Barbecue sauce, your bacon, and your sausage. Now, for those of you who watched the armadillo egg video that we did, those fresh jalapeno peppers, I had frozen them and pulled them out, thawed them out. Those peppers were the hottest jalapeno peppers I've ever had. So I'm hoping that these store-bought pickled sliced jalapeno peppers, because they've been processed, I hope they're not as spicy. And I'm going to test them first to make sure before we get cooking, because I don't want to cook food and ruin it because it's too hot. So, ready, Wes? Your turn first.
No!
Woo! It's weird. So it does have that jalapeno flavor. It has a little bit of a bite to it. One thing I don't care for, it's pretty mushy. It's very, very soft. Falls apart in my mouth. No crunch to it. I don't care for the texture. The flavor, perfectly fine, because I can eat it raw, right out of the jar. And if I can eat it right out of the jar, I'm sure it'll be great in our shotgun shells that we're making today.
Now we're going to open these meat and then put them into each separate bowl. Let's get to it.
Okay, we have hot. We have mild. You can definitely tell a color difference. The hot is more of a pinkish red, and the mild is more of a pinkish gray.
Now we're going to cut open the cheese and we're going to slice it into the meat. Now we're going to mush the cheese and the sausage up.
All right, battery died on the one camera. So anyways, you're gonna use your fingers and you're just gonna push your cheese and sausage mix into the shell. You can push it all in one side, or you can push it in halfway through one side and halfway through the other side.
Yep.
And I'm just gonna push it all in the one side. And look at this, Wesley. You can see, show the camera. You can see the sausage in there as I push, it's coming out. So I'm gonna call that good. I don't want it to leak out too much or be too full.
And right now, Walter's in the video now.
Who is Walter? We haven't seen Walter in forever. Who's Walter? Who are you, Walter? Tell everybody who you are.
Walter.
You are Wesley's younger brother, right? You are the second son.
That
Right?
was born.
Right, Walter?
Yes.
Yeah. How old are you?
4.
4. And what do you do all day?
School.
School. That's right. But today is weekend. Today is Saturday, right?
Yep. No school
No
today.
school on
No
Saturdays. So we're having some daddy time.
Yep.
All right. So as you can see, I got the sausage filled from one side all the way to the other. And I'm just going to lay them on a sheet tray here. And I'm just going to keep stuffing shells till all the sausage is gone. I don't want to save any in a bowl. I want to eat it all. So
Yeah.
we're going to keep stuffing these shells full of sausage.
And then we'll do the
And,
other sausage.
Yep, we'll do the right now I'm doing the mild. We'll do the hot sausage.
We're doing the other sausage.
Yep, this is the hot sausage with our diced jalapeno peppers and cheese mixed in. So this tray over here, we've got the mild sausage with cheese mixed. So the sausage is actually going a lot farther than I expected. I'm gonna have to open our second box of pasta here. But I gotta say, I've seen people use, like I said, the Ziploc bags. They cut a hole in the corner and squeeze the sausage into it. And I've seen people use spoons or forks, utensils to gently put the sausage into the shells. Man, use your fingers. It's so easy. So easy, and then when you're done, you just wash your hands, call it a day. So I'm gonna wrap up putting the hot sausage in these shells, and then I'll bring you back for the bacon. Back with the bacon, all right. Let's see if we can't pull out one slice at a time, or two. Okay, so you just take your bacon, lay it on, and just start wrapping it around. All the way around on right there. All right, so it's not 100% covering the shell. You can see the shell has some open spots on it, but I think one slice of bacon per shell should be sufficient, and we will find out. So that's how I'm gonna do it, and I'll wrap one more just to show you guys real quick again. Get a good look. Okay, you got your shell. Lay your bacon on at the end, and just spin your shell kind of at an angle, and let the bacon wrap around. Okay. So your shell is majority, very large majority covered in bacon. You have a little bit of shell showing, but I think it's going to work out perfect. And that's 2 right there. So, as soon as we get all of these finished,
We'll be cooking them on the smoker.
yeah, we'll be taking it out to the smoker and cooking them. So, we'll see you in the garage.
We're back out in the garage. Now we're gonna start up this smoker. Pit Boss 1000. Okay, now I'm gonna be cooking, and plug it in. See? And then you push the power button. And then there we go. And there we have it.
There we have it. There's our shotgun shells. Okay, so we're gonna cook them on the grill today. Wesley's gonna take charge on cooking today, I guess.
Yep.
So let me go get the other tray and we'll get it going. Let's see if this smoker can fire up and get some good food.
And we need it hot. And it's very sunny out. My mom got some bean bags out. And we painted the the boards. Say hey, Laura. Say hey. Say hey. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Oh, no. No, Nora. Okay, we're back.
All right, so what do you think? Should we leave them on the tray or should we put them right on the grills?
We should leave them on the tray.
Okay, so that's what we'll do. We'll leave them on the tray. On the bottom, we have the hot sausage with the jalapeno peppers diced up in them. On top, we have the medium sausage, and they both have cheese mixed in with the sausage.
You're right up in there.
All right, I don't see any smoke coming out yet, so we'll give
Let's
it a minute.
heat it up.
We'll give it a minute. See what happens. I'm smelling it a little bit. Yeah, starting to see a little bit.
Well, I do smell the smoke.
Yeah. For this? Now, compared to the meatloaf, is this better than the meatloaf? Yeah? Is this better than anything I ever made? Really? So this is the very best. There you have it, guys. Shotgun shells, the very best. So Wesley and I have been experimenting. We're looking into merchandising. So we're looking into creating our own line of clothing, hats, backpacks, all kinds of merchandise. And we're gonna be creating a website that we can sell it on. So stay tuned. We will let you guys know when it's gonna be available, when we have our website. And go check it out. Buy whatever you guys want. We're gonna be making some cool stuff.